welcome to Take a Bite. Today's video is about the homemade cough drops that are chemical and preservative free and can be very easily prepared at home with the simple ingredients, and they are very effective home remedy for the cough, cold and the sore throat. So let's see what we will need to make them. So here I have used 1 cup of brown sugar. Instead you can use the jaggery for the more healthier option. Then 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Here I have simply crushed the black pepper. Then cinnamon or the Dalchini powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Clove powder. Here I have crushed the clove, whole clove, and make it into a powder. Icing sugar for dusting. Fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon. Fresh turmeric, grated, 1 tablespoon. If you not get the fresh turmeric, you can use simply the powder also. 1 tablespoon of pure honey. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So let's start making it. In the pan, first I have added the sugar and water. And we have to stir it, and now we will add one by one ingredient. Added cinnamon powder, clove powder, black pepper powder, turmeric, ginger, lemon juice, and now we have to thicken the sugar syrup. So you have to stir it continuously, and the flame should be low. So here the sugar syrup is boiled. We haven't added the honey at the first stage when we added all the ingredients, because overboiling of honey loses its medicinal property. So now added the honey, and just we have to stir it, and now the sugar syrup is also thickened up, and now we will check the consistency by dropping our sugar syrup into the water. If it will settle down at the bottom and form the ball or coming together, then it's done. And yes, it is coming together and forming a ball like structure. So our sugar syrup is done. We want the 2-string consistency actually. And now we will strain our mixture. And if you're using the powders instead of the fresh turmeric and fresh ginger, you can skip this stage of straining. As I have used the fresh ones, I have to strain it, and we will strain it, squeeze it very nicely so that all the juices will come into the sugar syrup. Nothing will be left in the residue. And here I have lined the baking tray with the parchment paper so that the candies will not stick at the bottom. And now dropping 1/2 teaspoon of the mixture and forming drops like this. If you have the candy maker or the candy molds, you can make the candies out of it. That will be more attractive for the kids. And like this I have made all the drops ready, and let it cool down for 2 to 3 minutes, and then after that we will dust the sugar, powdered sugar over it. Now dusting the powdered sugar or the icing sugar over it so that they will not stick to each other while we will take them out. And now we have to keep them aside for about 1 hour, and after 1 hour they are easily coming out from the tray, and you can store them at room temperature only in the airtight container, and they are really very effective in the cold and cough or when you have the sore throat. So let's make them at home and let me know how they turned out for you, and how do you like them. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Take a Bite. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay hungry.